To create an invoice in Deskera Accounting, you'll want to click on either Create Vendor Invoice or Create Customer Invoice. For this, we're going to go ahead and create a customer invoice. The first thing it asks you is if you want to link it to a sales order. At this point, we'll say no, since we don't have a specific sales order that we're working with. The invoice number is generated automatically. That could be set in Account Preferences and your master configuration. We'll go ahead and select a customer. We'll use Colin Quinn. I already have an address in there for him. There is no PO reference number this time, but if there were, this is where we could put it. Their credit term is currently 10 days, making their due date the 18th, since today is the 8th. There is no discount we're giving them this time, but if we wanted to, we certainly could, either a percentage of the price or a flat rate discount. The memo here would usually indicate why the discount is being given. The currency is US dollars and will include product tax, since this is a taxable item. The product will go ahead and select from a drop-down, and we'll select Microsoft Office, just to make it easy. The description is the Office suite and 1 unit. The price is $100, without any discount given. If we wanted to add an additional tax, this is where we would do that here. But we're going to go ahead and add the tax down here as yes, and the tax that we're going to add is going to be the sales tax. That'll be automatically generated here. If there were a second tax amount, that would go here as well, and it would all add up down here at the bottom. From here, we'll hit Save to save this specific invoice. I'll hit Yes to save this record, and the invoice has now been saved successfully, and we can begin creating our next invoice. That's how you create an invoice in Deskera Accounting.